welcome back to my channel. It's June 1st, 2023, day of Thursday. Today I will be showing you how to install a lowering kit on my Yamaha Mt-09 2022 model. But before I start this video, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers out there, and also new subscribers. Thank you so much for trusting and supporting this channel. And I would like to shout out all the riders here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and all over the world. For those who haven't been subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of my latest vlog. The channel is Las Vegas Motor Speed. Thank you so much. These are the tools that we will be needing for installation of lowering kit on my Yamaha Mt-09. So we do have the lowering kit link. It's one set, so it's left and right, and we do have a socket wrench, 17 millimeter, regular wrench, ratchet, extension, and impact drive or power tools. This is the stock parts of my Yamaha Mt-09. So we need to uninstall that, remove the 3 bolts. It's actually side by side, one from left, one from right. And there's 3 nuts right here. So we need to remove that and replace that with my lowering kit link. Hello everyone, this is Gerald and I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. So the installation is done. It took me about an hour to install that lowering kit on my Yamaha Mt-09 2022 model. So I'm going to show you how low or what are the changes of installing the lowering kit. I'm going to show you how low it is and compared to the stock parts of my installation. So basically, I'm gonna show you right now how low is the lowering kit. Probably in about 1.5 inch lower compared to this top part. So right now I'm still tiptoeing, but it's almost half how you call this, tiptoe. Before it was like literally tiptoe. When I put my other feet or my foot on the pegs, I can actually do this. It's flat-footed. So before it was kind of like tiptoe or half tiptoe. Now it's I have more control on my bike. This is very important, especially when you're approaching traffic or you're just like sitting on your bike. So it actually changes a lot. If you can view my previous upload or my video regarding my 2020 Mt-09 lowering kit installation, you can actually check back on that. So it's pretty much the same, but the lowering kit of this one is different. So because this one is upgraded model, so it's 2022 model. I think it's 3rd generation. So of course it's better, and this one is very comfortable. So it's just right. It's not too high, it's not too low. And probably I'm gonna adjust the front fork probably in 2 inch or 1.5 inch. Probably right now it's like 1 inch drop. But I'm gonna think about that. So probably on the next vlog. So this is my position right now. It's still upright position, but I can reach the ground now and it's almost flat-footed and it's not like tiptoe. So it was great installation. I'm very satisfied. I hope you enjoyed this video. For those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can subscribe on my channel and just click the subscribe button, Las Vegas Motor Speed, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Once again, my name is Gerald, and I'll be see you on the next vlog. Thank you so much. God bless.